Right now, ambulances are responding faster to calls in Knox County. That's according to an updated report from leaders. Reporter Sarah Ottman breaks down the updated numbers shown tonight to Knox County commissioners. Sarah.
Katie, AMR was happy to report tonight that they are seeing faster response times and more efficient operations in this quarterly report.
Yeah, it's good to have great news.
AMR is seeing significant improvements across the board.
The arrival times have improved remarkably over the course of the year. So has staffing and the number of units that are on the roads.
AMR says the improvements are fueled by a 52% increase in EMT and paramedic staffing over the past 10 months. They've hired more than 60 new employees since February.
Very gratified to be able to give this kind of good news. I think it's what the community has wanted from us.
In the past quarter, AMR says on-time responses have improved every month since the start of the contract, consistently at 90% or better since July.
Because we had a plan when we came into the contract, but is it normal? No, it is not normal to see improvement like that in such a short period of time.
But despite the good news, challenges still remain.
We're very, very happy with our report card, but of course there are some days where demand still exceeds the number of units, and we need to understand that better and be ready.
Offloading times are still an issue, with times averaging nearly 60 minutes per 911 transport.
When the ambulances can't offload at hospitals, we may have a lot of ambulances staffed, but they're not available to take calls.
AMR is also looking to improve the way non-emergency calls are handled.
We want to make sure that there are enough units on the road to serve the emergency needs at all times. But there are a lot of demands on those units other than just things we would think of as emergencies.